Hey man, what's going on? My name is Toddmccart, and thanks for opting in. Thanks for opening this email. Like this is a pretty important video. Uh, you looked at that and you said, "Okay, I'm going to turn $25 one time, not a month, not every 6 months, not every year, not every 15 minutes, one time, and it's good for as long as you want to stick around and collect cash." Okay, so here we are. Your decision now is, okay, do I want to be with Todd? Do I want to work with Todd? Well, let me tell you what. My success over the last 10 years, I'm a six-figure earner for the last 10 years straight. Why or how? Well, I pick systems that work for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Why? Because I know that people can't recruit, and I know people hate to sell stuff. You know what I mean? And here's the most important part is I can imagine myself back 10 years ago when I first started, man, I was up to my freaking eyeballs in debt. I was worried, man. Hey, listen, I'm going to work. I worked 28 years building bridges and towers, and I made good money. But here's the deal: I had two kids in college. Okay, man. Well, and I still had bills. Wait a minute. And I was worried if my wife would have a flat tire, I'm going to buy a $100 tire. Man, that was scary. Here's another scary one. What if your air conditioner went out in the middle of summer or your heat went out in the middle of winter? Wow. Man, that's two to $5,000 that if you don't have, you got a lot of stress on you. Okay. And I was just looking to get rid of all that stress and making other people rich because I'd go to work. And my schedule was crazy, man. I worked 4 weeks on, 1 week off. 4 week on, 1 week off. That was a terrible life, and I couldn't wait to get out of it. I was so stressed out, man. If my refrigerator was to break down, I don't have the money. Nowadays, like a refrigerator's like $1,500. Come on, really? So the whole idea, man, is you take your 25 bucks, get in, start working with me, okay? This is an automated system. It works for you, it recruits for you, it sells for you, it closes for you, it emails for you. It does it all. This is unheard of. This is the first time this has ever taken place on the internet. Okay. And you have a chance to get in now and ride it out long term. Okay. When you first get in, it's not $500 a day. Okay. When you get into Spark, it's 50, 100, 150, 250, 150. That's where it all starts. Okay. The cycling begins. Once the cycling begins, you get momentum. Your team gets momentum. The guy under you cycles, you get paid an extra 25 bucks. You see how this thing's going. If you watch that video till the end, you understand. Okay. If you didn't, I'll give you the link under this video. Go back and watch that and see who you want to be involved with. You want to be involved with someone who's not going to pump you in and dump you. You want somebody that's going to work with you. Okay. That's me. If you notice when you get on the leaderboards here, I'm in the top 10, but most of my team, 4 out of the top 10, are on my team. Why? Because we're all working together. We're all not number one, but we're making our teams money. And that's, man, that's what it's all about. It's taking the stress off your shoulders, man. Getting up, going to a job you freaking hate. You know, that absolutely sucks. You know, and you doing what you want to do. I go to my granddaughter's football game. She's in the band. So I drive 6 hours Friday. Most people got to go to work. I don't have to go to work. Okay. So I can go to there. They live in Georgia and I live in Tennessee. So I drive to Georgia to go see them play in the band. And then I drive home the next day. So Friday and Saturday, I get to spend time with my grandkids. Hey, you can't do that. People that have a regular job don't have that time to squeeze in, you know, and I can make a project out of it. I can put the dog in the truck, and that's a project. But I mean, Monday mornings I get out and ride around on my tractor and I send out emails. Hmm, this is pretty cool and get paid. So If you've ever wanted to feel what it feels like to make $500 a day, get in now. Do yourself a favor, get in now. 25 bucks one time. Just once. Not monthly. Not a week. Not a year. One time. If you want to treat it like a lottery ticket, go ahead and treat it like a lottery ticket. I wouldn't, but go ahead. Um, 25 bucks, man. I can spend that at a gas station on a snack. It might be a pretty nice snack, but really, you're not going to get anything back from that. Okay. So dig through your car seats, dig through the dryer, try to find $25 and get yourself in. I want to help you, but the whole idea is, man, you need to take action. And taking action is get in. 25 bucks. It secures your Spark position. And then watch for my email once you sign up, because I have team emails. Remember, I said I help people. Those emails are designed to help you. And they're not asking you for more money. They're telling you what you should do. Like, come to the Facebook group and you'll see that everyone's making money. Whoa, that's unheard of. Not just the top 10, not just the top 50. We're all making money. And that's the key to this. Okay. So I want to see you on my team. Uh, and that's all I got to say is get to the bottom of the link, man, the bottom of this video, and go there and rewatch that video. Rewatch that video and ask yourself, man, what would it be like to make $500 a day? You don't have to worry about shit no more. Okay? Let's do it.